Over 125 Aitas in a community in Porac, Pampanga have just received a godsend courtesy of a government outreach program dubbed as Pag-abot. Each of them received the beast of burden to prep for farmlands for tilling and sowing. Our Kenneth Paciente has more on this presidential outreach effort.
Ronnie manually plows the land that he farms. He shares that it is not easy because it takes him almost 2 months to finish.
Mahirap po, yung sa amin sa bundok po, ginaganon namin po yung pag, yung sa sako, yung hindi pinupuntok ba? May dito, may tali dito. Pag gabi, sumasakit naman. Mahirap ng para pag umaga, wala na naman, magtrabaho na naman.
Ronnie's problem has just been solved after being selected as one of the recipients of a Carabao. With this, he says his work from here on will be easier and his earnings higher and faster.
WD ang tulong na binigay sa amin ng Kalabaw nito.
Ronnie is just one of the 127 beneficiaries of the Pag-abot program who each received a Carabao in Porac, Pampanga, led by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. This is part of providing livelihood support to the Aita community whose primary source of income is farming, such as crop production, livestock raising, and poultry production. They were also provided with farm tools.
Alam niyo po, nung pinag-aaralan namin itong sitwasyon po ninyo, ay talaga ang kailangan natin tulungan ang inyong hanap buhay sa pagsasaka. Yan ang nagbibigay buhay kasi dahil napakahalaga nito. Dahil pagka kayo'y nagsasaka, hindi po kayo nagpapakain lamang ng sarili ninyo at saka ng pamilya ninyo. Yung sinasaka ninyo, yung tinatanim ninyo, yung inaani ninyo, ay kasama po yan sa pagpakain ng lahat ng mga Pilipino.
The President also distributed financial assistance to 1,200 beneficiaries from Barangay Planas and Camyas, each receiving 10,000 pesos.
Ito po ay bahagi lamang ng aming mahabaang programa. Hindi po ito lamang patuloy po kung ano yung pangangailangan po na makakapagpaganda. Magbadala ng kaunting ginhawa sa buhay ninyo. Sinasabi ko nga, pagka yung mga meron kaming nabibigyan ng kaunting benepisyo, ay nagte-thank you. Huwag na kayong mag-thank you. Dahil trabaho talaga namin ito. Kaya ipera ninyo ito. Kaya binabalik lang namin sa inyo ito.
The President also visited Katutubo Village Elementary School where he distributed school supplies to 127 students and 2 units of Starlink to improve connectivity in the area, especially for students learning. Kenneth Paciente from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.